What's up? Kain tayo. Nandito si Aisha. Napunta ulit. Naku po. Namiss ka daw nila. Namiss ka nila. They miss you. Oh, me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5. 4 lang tayo. Bakit naging 5? Sino yung isa? Meron siguro akong di nakikita. Wala man. Diba, Aisha? Why you didn't come here every Thursday?
Sometimes I make sambusa.
Ah, you make sambusa sometimes?
Sometimes ba?
Sometimes. Aisha, can you get that one? The one, the cover yellow, the white. Yes, the white cover.
Not every day, sometimes.
Sometimes only, not every day. You come here every Thursday, not sometimes, okay? Where's your drinks? Why you don't have drinks?
There, nakakain ready there.
Why you don't have juice?
Kaya saan ko na.
Whatever you want, get.
Yeah.
It's free. Don't mention them. It's free. A lot of free.
Wala mang laman yun. Yung
Alam.
kiss maliit.
Lumabas nga kasi.
Walang laman.
Meron yan. Hanapin mo lang. Meron yan. Di mo lang maramdaman pero meron yan.
Sino naggawa niyan? Nagdala.
Ako gumawa niyan.
Madam Lalim?
Ate, may cheese. Ah!
Wala. Hangin na.
Ayun yung cheese. Ay, bubulat-latin ko para sa'yo. Ayan yung cheese.
Mintan mayroon.
Yung iba kasi lumabas. Yung iba naman, nandiyan pa din sila. Hindi naman sila umaalis.
Kiss pa rin.
Aisha, what are you doing? Come here. Eat. Anshan, you're fasting. You see Maria and Rowena, they eat. Where you go out? Ay, where you go out? Where you go? How you get used? Ano yun? Tanong ko, sagot ko.
You get you.
My question and I'm the one who answer. You didn't answer me a lot.
Isuad nyo yun. Mamaya, nahulog na yung pagkain natin. Matibay pa naman yung lamig ka na.
Matiba.
Wala nang paayat. Pa.
Ano yung pagod mo pag uminom ka malamig? Grabe yung... Ito yung sabon. Dapat pala mas marami ang tubig talaga sa sabon.
Ay, gusto mo mabula, di ba? Huwag ka magreklamo. Ikaw may gusto niyan. Sabi mo, gusto mo, di ba, mabula? I want mabula. Oy, sige. Tapangan mo.
Nadama na yung kamay ko sa ano. Ano siya nila? Pero dati marami naman trabaho siya pero nakakapunta dito.
Hindi, kasi syempre, na madam.
Every day, you make like this. Not every day. Ano yung fridge finish kami?
Hindi masiguro everyday kasi not everyday, sa? Kasi always your madam here.
Saturday and Monday.
Saturday,
And
Monday,
then Thursday.
sometimes Thursday, and then sometimes you will surprise us. Sunday.
Ilan ang total mo?
I don't know how many total. But maybe, soon, you will be here. I want to live here.
Magkumpong
With
ka
me? Because you want me. You miss me. You didn't miss me? My God.
Parang tumaba si Aisha. You become big now.
You eat a lot, sa?
Wallah. Not same before. Before I was have the first of child.
Yes, now you have face of old.
Mature yan.
Last time you have a face of child. Now you have a face of old.
Because I cut my hair off. That's why you see me like that.
Where you cut?
I will go to not home.
You will go home?
When I go home, I will make it to grow. Now I will cut. Because I don't have time to. Yes.
You don't have time to...
Parang nabusog ako sa ano? Sa ito. Kainom ko parang ano ko dito sa ano.
You love it? Ah. Did you love it? May sambusa? I make it with love. Full of love and angry. It's mix. You see the taste? It's yummy, huh? Because it's mixed.
English Ramadan, napasambo.
You will miss my sambusa.
Ano, di ba minsan naka-stock pa rin yan sa ano natin? Yung mga sabog sa pa.
Patata lang yun.